Welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a fish. Let's start off by drawing a big arch that flares out on the right side for the top of the fish. Then, mirror that underneath for the bottom of the fish. On the right, extend the top line up and to the right like so. Then, mirror that on the bottom also, but slightly shorter. And finish off the tail shape by drawing a curved line connecting the tips of the tail. On the left, connect those ends with two bumps for the fish's lips. For the top fin, draw a line curving up and over with a small divot here that comes all the way down to the start of the tail here. And underneath, add a smaller line with a small arch towards the back. In the middle of the fish, draw another fin with a line going up and over that comes back down and to the left like so. To the left of this fin, add a long thin line that curves like this, followed by a big dot here for the eye. To add some more detail, draw some thin lines along the fins and tail for some added texture. Then, some thin wave shapes along the body like so for the scales. Have them get smaller and thinner towards the back of the fish. Lastly, add 3 circles here for some bubbles, getting smaller towards the top. And inside each of them, add a small oval with a circle underneath to make them look shiny. And now you've got a fish! Let us know in the comments what you think we should draw next. And be sure to check out these videos for more.